Here is the site, Kidblog. If you go to kidblog.org/home, it will bring you to this site right here. It shows you that it is a safe student publishing site, and it really does give students a voice, and it allows them to discuss content areas that they find interesting, and it allows them to work on their writing skills as well. So when you get onto here, you want to go to create a teacher account. When you create the teacher account, it will allow you to sign up with these items up here, or you can just sign up through this way. Now, I already have an account, so I'll just log in to mine. So when you log in, it'll bring you to this class. Now, it does tell you that I am on a free trial because when I signed up, I collected a 30-day free trial. Now that is definitely one of the downfalls of the site. It does cost either per year or per month, depending on how you want to pay for it. So I am just on the 30-day free trial right now. When you come in, this would be blank, and you would have to create your first class. So to create a class, you would create new class. Type in whatever you choose here. I typed in Miss Byler's class. I'll just add a new one for the sake of showing you how to do it. Description, let's just do 3rd grade. Depending on what you teach, you would have something different there. So now I have 2 classes. Now what it shows you is that you can add users to each of these classes, and then it also gives you the exact web address to each class right underneath it. I was able to change this avatar as well. So let's go to settings, student account. So as you can see, you can add up to 200 student accounts, which I thought was great. I'll show you how to choose your avatar first. All I went to was the avatar pictures, so I just clicked one of these. You can do whatever you would like. We'll add this. Okay, use as my avatar. So now that's my avatar. It gives you your QR code if you would like to print out a QR code or save the image as well. Your location. I typed in my elementary school earlier. You want to save your changes whenever you do anything. Whenever you add your students, you want to make sure that you are adding them the way you would want their name to appear. So when you add students, you can have them use a display name and a password. If they have Google accounts, I know some schools do that, they can sign in with that, or Clever. I did normal display names and passwords, so I clicked on that. Now you can either give them a join code, which is unique to your class, or you can enter them manually, whichever you choose. I did manually. Now you can type in a display name, type in whatever password you like, or you can do a bulk upload, and you would just need to create a file, and they give you a sample one, and then you would upload and drag that file there, and it would upload them all at once. You can also do a join code. So what I did is I enabled the join code for students so that they would be able to use that code to join the class. All right, that would be students. You would make sure you add them as students. You're the teacher. You can add a moderator and a guest. If you want, you can add all of those different types. Privacy, here would be the privacy settings. So the audience may students request when publishing posts. I don't turn on the public because I think it's important that they're only following or only being able to see or post to the classes that we are following as a whole. The different categories, you would want to add new categories here because this is what you connect every blog post to. So maybe I'll type in like sports. So if I would add a new blog post and it's about football over the weekend, then I can connect it to that category and we can see how many posts we have under that category. It's a different way to have some connections here. And then these would be who do you want to follow and who are following you. So these are just kind of give you some suggestions based on what I've already typed in for this class. So you can kind of go and look at some other classes and what theirs would look like. So I go here, this is what they've already have blog posts about. So, it doesn't matter what, it literally can be anything you want. And as you can see, this was the teacher's blog post, and then there were comments underneath. So every student can also post their own blog posts if they would like. Reports, this is one thing I found to be a little less helpful. The posts are very general. It doesn't give you too much details about the specific user. It's pretty general about the whole class. You can change your themes and your sidebars based on what you would like. So I changed my theme to the desk. So now whenever we go back, I can go up to my name, I can click my profile, and I can come down here to both of my classes, the space class. So now you can see that is our theme behind us. Now I'll show you how to do a new post. So I have a new post here. You can drag any image you would like. You would enter a title. It shows it who's it's by. I would type my information. It has all the normal editing aspects here. Then you can change the background color to based on what you like, background texture, fonts, post fonts, whatever you would like. Now here's where you connect it to the category. So it's kind of like hashtags on Twitter, as well as these tags here. You can review it, you can publish it, and then it can be posted. So now if a student would do that, you would have to review it before it could be posted onto the site. Other than that, it's pretty useful. As you can see, this is the one class I'm connected to right now. They have 40 posts, 49 comments, so they can see our stuff and we can see their stuff, and they can also kind of, add to the detail, add to the conversation that you're already having in the classroom. I think this is a really great site for not only extracurricular things the students might be enjoying, but also in-class things. I can give a quick narrative prompt up there, and the students can go in and comment or create onto that post. That is most of it. So thank you so much.